Sarasota County homeowners, this structure was built 6 years ago and has been through 3 major hurricanes without a scratch.
And it's not wood, it's commercial grade steel. At Florida Specialty Structures, we use prefab commercial stud, wind rated and high tensile strength, built for Florida.
If you're in Welland Park, North Fork, or anywhere in Sarasota County, and you're thinking about adding a garage, pool house, workshop, or even a full home structure, this is how you build it to last.
It doesn't burn, it doesn't rot, bugs can't eat it. Insulate at your convenience. Run wiring and plumbing through pre-punched holes with ease.
You get superior durability with minimal maintenance.
A 40-year, 100% metal warranty.
Multiple corrosion protection coating options.
And over 40 color choices to match your property.
We're veteran-owned, locally operated, state licensed, and insured, and Sean is personally on every job site.
If you're going to build in Sarasota County, build it once.
Click Learn More to schedule your fast, free estimate and design consultation.
Let's build something that actually lasts.